Hi, I'm Doozy. I'm from the Blue Mafia clan. And this is Shy Guy. He's very shy. He doesn't talk much. Let's go into the base, man. Check it out. Pretty sweet. Meow. I like making cat noises. Let's go into the base, Shy Guy. Come on. In the base. In the base. Fine, I'm leaving without you. Alright, well this is the base, man. Pretty sweet. Hey, wait. Something's not right here. What's going on? What's going on? Oh my god! Oh my god! The base has been... Get out of here! Holy crap! Run! Oh my god! Go for the teleporter! Get to the parking lot! Ah! The base has been flooded! Flooded! Alright, get in the mongoose! The base has been flooded! We gotta get out of here! It's like Noah's Ark! Holy crap! Get out of here! Oh my god! Run! Get out of here! We gotta go! Crap! There's a roadblock! Pass! Alright, I'll deal with this, sucker! Oh my god! Get out of the way! Please move! We need to get through! Oh my god! Get out of the... Oh, I broke it! Hurry! Go to the base! Go to the base! Oh my god! It's flooded! It's flooded! Oh my god! Holy crap! The base is... Oh, we just went a big circle! Oh my god! Get in the base before something bad happens! Hurry! Oh, screw you, man! I'm going in the base! Oh my god! What's going on? We gotta get out. Alright, we made it into the base. Alright. Something's not right. Oh crap. What? The base has been... Oh my god, the base has